Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change default download location in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Vivaldi Settings, select Downloads in the left sidebar. On the right, under downloads, you will find this one download location. By default, it is set to downloads folder in the C drive. Click on this one, select folder button. Choose a new folder where you want to save the downloaded folder in Vivaldi browser and then click on this one, select folder. This will change the default download location in the Vivaldi browser.